How to add device on your Amazon. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a new device on your Amazon. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser, just make sure you're logged in to your official Amazon account, and from over here simply click on your profile icon, and as you can see there is a account and setting option. So simply click on it, and you might be asked to re-log into your account. So if you are asked to do that, just hit enter your login credentials, and once you do that you will be seeing this screen. And from over here what you want to do is simply click on this devices option over here, and as you can see there's the option for registering new devices. So simply click on it, and from over here what you can do is just make sure you have followed these three instructions given below over here to get your registration code. And as you can see, you must open the Prime Video app on your TV or device and register on your Prime website for the step 2, and step 3 your registration code appears on the left of the screen. So once you type in your registration code over here, you can simply hit the register device button, and that's exactly how you do it. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.